Now welcome to back a new video. This video tips is insect test and edit test of how to useful form. Okay. Please add the three command button. One, two, two, three. Okay. Three command button. One command button added sheet one cell cell is a four. We select four one column. Okay. Test. This is write a test. Okay. Now check how to this work. Okay. Okay. Test come here. This four test come. This four number. This four. Okay. This four. This one. This column. One column. Hmm. Row. This row. Test. Okay. Test come. Okay. This row test come. Four test come. Okay. Now click two. Okay. Copy. Wait. Copy. Copy. Test. One four one two three lane. Okay, three row. This test is mouse some. Okay. Oh, this name T T. This number for yeah. Okay, we are checking this. Okay, check it how to come here. Now this is A1. This four one here. Four two. This apple. Okay. This is four two apple. This change it. Okay, come on. Okay. Now change it. Two. Change. Okay. Go to another command button. Insert. Okay. Copy this. Sheet one range here four. Okay, this four here four here B C C. Okay, yeah 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 C insert. Okay, here four this here four this four E C C4. Okay, four is this column. Yeah, B C. Okay, now go to here this for this button insert one row and right. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 4. Okay, insert this another insert no problem. Okay, come, please understand my video. Please like and subscribe and bell button. Okay, thank you very much watching my video.